What's up guys, and welcome to the Miners Trading channel. And today I'm going to be showing you this new strategy using the Bollinger Bands indicator. Tested it 100 times and showing you step by step how do you trade this indicator. First of all, how do you get this indicator? It's pretty simple. You go to the indicator tab and search Bollinger Bands. Right here, Bollinger Bands. You click. And that's basically it. It's done. Does the strategy work? And how can I understand this indicator? That's pretty simple. So the Bollinger Bands are basically, like the name said, two bands, one in each side and an EMA in the middle. That's for the trading strategy we're going to ignore. So basically, the candles, the price, very unlikely to go out of the Bollinger Bands. Very low percentage. But whenever the candle goes out of the Bollinger Bands, meaning the market is overreacting, most likely is the price is going to reject, touching the bands, going out of the bands, then rolling over like so. The price went and got out of the band, then dropped, then got out of the band again and got up again and start climbing up. So it's a very simple indicator to understand. You can also trade the touches, not only the break of the bands, but the touch. So in this example here, you got these 3 wicks, meaning the price touched the band 3 times, got rejected 3 times. After the touches, what happened? The price falls. That, for example, would be a super profitable short position, like so. Like always, the risk to reward ratio is like you're free. You can use a fixed risk to reward ratio like 2, 3. You can go by Fibonacci retracements. You can go by, I don't know, support and resistance. I mean, you do you free. And this strategy that I'm going to test 100 times, I'm going to use a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. But you can use whatever you like to use. You can use the Bollinger Bands as a trailing stop loss, meaning, for example, the Bollinger Band continues going down and down, and you can trail the stop loss, meaning if your stop loss or take profit will go whenever the Bollinger Bands go, like so. Then if the price retraces, your trade close, in this example, in a good profit. That's an example of a trailing stop loss. So now I'm going to show you a long example. So without any cuts or anything, I'm just going down here and boom, a long example. So the price falls like I showed you before in the short trade. The price then breaks the Bollinger Bands again, this time in the down, meaning you can now take a long. You can enter the long either in the break or the confirmation candle, like so. 1.5 risk to reward ratio, it boom, and that's basically it. The strategy is really simple. You can deviate and adds a RSI, trade with some divergences, any confluence you probably got for any reason. I mean, you do you. I can trade this with support and resistance, some patterns. I mean, this indicator is really versatile. But in this example, I'm going with the touch or the break of the band to keep it simple and more easy to you to understand. So now I'm going to test the strategy 100 times using EURUSD, AUDUSD, and GBPUSD and showing you all the results. And there you have it, the final results of the Bollinger Band indicator strategy. This strategy was tested in the market of EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, using a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 risk-reward ratio. But when I was testing the strategy, I realized something. If you use, instead of 1 to 5, you can use like a 3, even a 4 or 5 risk-reward ratio, and you'll be just fine. Make lots more profit, because the stop loss, doing what I'm doing in this indicator strategy, the stop loss is very thin, meaning the risk-reward ratio is much bigger and easier to get. So doing that, you can use probably a 3, 4, and 5 risk-reward ratio, or you can do a trailing stop loss, as I showed you in the beginning of this video. The gain of the account was 80%, using only 1% risk per trade. Very important. Meaning I made $8,000 profit with a $10,000 account. That's really good. I almost doubled the account. That's not bad. The win rate was 72%, with 72 wins and 28 losses. In my opinion, that's really good. That's one of the best trading strategies I've tested. And I mean, you can get much better results. In the win rate, probably not, but you can get much bigger profits using a risk-reward ratio of 3, 4, or 5. Even 2, because I used 1.5 risk-reward ratio. And in every trade, I was getting every single time easy 3 risk-reward ratio, 4, sometimes 5 with ease, because again, stop losses are very thin in the strategy, which is good because the risk-reward ratio is easier but riskier, because the price doesn't have much space to move, so you don't have that much wiggle room, to be honest. The trading time for the 100 trades was 28 days, weekdays, because in the weekends the market is closed. So I almost doubled the account in roughly a month. That's impressive data. I mean, really impressive. It's a really simple strategy. I mean, I need to think about it. It's not that hard. It's a super easy and simple trading strategy. You just long when the price touches the bottom band, and short whenever the price touches the upper band. It's so simple. I can make a monkey trade this strategy, and the monkey can be profitable. Yeah, just kidding. But yeah, I mean, the strategy strategy is very simple. I highly recommend you to try, backtest, make some adjustments like the risk-reward ratio, add the RSI, trade with divergences. I mean, you can play a little bit with this. I mean, you can trade using risk-reward ratios, like trailing stop losses, with support and resistance, and you can get a much higher win rates and risk-reward ratio, meaning you make lots more profits. But that's up to you to try. I mean, that's all in my part. Hope you like it. Leave a like, subscribe, ring the bell, join our free Discord Telegram group, free, in the description. And if you want to join our paid Telegram group, just DM me on Discord or Instagram or comment down below and I'll reach out to you for you to enter our Signal group for only $15. And that's basically it. Hope you like it and see you next time. See ya.